The question asks, what is the probability of having an odd number in a single toss of a fair die? Solution. Objective of the question. And the question is testing the knowledge of probability. That is experimental probability. Now let's illustrate what a die is. And what is a die? A die is a square of 6 sides. It's a square of 6 sides which we use to play the game of chance, usually called Ludo game. You can see it. You see this side is 6, this side is 4, this side is 5, then the other side is 3, 2, and 1. Right. So the main thing is this. The probability here is the total number of possible outcomes over the total outcome. Probability is total number of possible outcomes over total outcomes. Now from this expression here, we are asked to find the probability of having an odd number in a single toss of a fair die. Now when a die is tossed once, what are the outcomes? Now you find out that when a die is tossed once, that it is either we get a 1, or we get a 2, or we get a 3, or we get a 4, or we get a 5, then or we get a 6. So these are the outcomes if a die is thrown one. These are the total outcomes. But from the question, we are asked to find the probability of having an odd number in a single toss. So from the total outcomes, which is 6 a number already, we are expected to check the number of odd numbers in the total outcomes. And the odd numbers here are 1, 3, and 5. That is the total of 3. Now applying the formula of probability, which says the total number of possible outcomes over the total outcomes, which says 3 over 6. Usually we reduce probability fraction to the lowest number. So once the 3 divides itself, it gets 1, and 3 divides 6, it gets 2. So finally, the probability of having an odd number in a single toss of a fair die is 1 over 2.